My name is Taneja. I had completed recently few months before here training, and so I am very grateful to this institute and the Rahul sir, because I have learnt here a lot of things, like giving presentation and speaking. Whatever I little bit speaking today means just because of this institute, because this institute has taught me a lot of things. And when I look to the past year on this same day, everyone prepare. I also had prepared that chart. Doing this, I had prepared a few things I have to do. I have to learn spoken English. Previous year, last year, on this same day, I had made a few points. In the year of 2025, I have to learn spoken English. I have to build up good stage courage. A lot of such things I have made, but everyone made plan, but nobody, almost 90% of people give their 80% only in few months only. No, not a few months, only few days. Usually we made plans, we schedule the proper schedule. On the first day of the first year, what will we do? We do simply do the, we wake up until the time become one, and we cut a cake, and we do spoil whole day. If we did the first day of that year spoil means, how would we expect whole the days it will become good? Before taking any such decision, first we should accept ourselves the way we are. We figure out whatever our weakness points, whatever our strong strength points. If we get to know the whatever our weak points, then we will get to know the how to improve. Make a figure out the what are the list of the our weakness point, what things we have to improve in this year. So after figure outing the, make a plan, schedule, make a plan. According to that, we should execute those plans in a proper way. Such obstacle hurdles will came in between doing such schedule things. But if we plan to doing 100% in a day, at least if we did 80-70%, we should reward ourselves only, because nobody will push you to become. Nobody is going to push you until you push yourself, because that things will nobody do. And we should get grateful to this institute, because this institute has trying to push ourselves. Because whenever we sit in this audience, everyone feel that if I am coming on this stage means, you all are feel that he should speak well. Nobody one feel that he should not give good speech, because nobody feel that. If everyone aspiring you to do good speech means, our inner mindset, we feel that what will you think in mind, if I did wrong thing, if I spoke wrong things means, what will people think? Because nobody will remember you. If you did any mistake means, you that one person is will know that you only be. Nobody will scare you. If you did mistake, you analyze that, rectify that, and correct it. That if you will remember this day only. After few days, will not remember those whatever I have did the mistake, but I will not never, I will not forget those things. Thank you.